Good afternoon everyone. My name is Rikas and I am a student of Jethro's Institute. I hope you all are fine in this hard time. Because of the coronavirus outbreaking, so many big companies are getting closed. So many people have lost their job. So many people have committed suicide. But there is a question that why? Why they are doing this type of things? The reason is the worry, the fear of career. The young generation is getting depressed when they start to think about their career. They have a fear in their mind that what will happen with me in future, what's about my future. But they didn't try to find the solution. They always ran behind the success without doing any mistake, without losing something. And we have to keep in mind that we should be positive in everything. If you are the owner of a positive mind, then only your problem will be very clear in front of you, and you will able to solve your problem by yourself. But if you have the negative mind, then in front of you will see only the black image, and in this black image you will see nothing. In your life you will meet 1,000 types of people. Some people will be positive, some people will be negative, but you have to choose the positive one, who will give you the courage, who will motivate you, who will show you the right path, who will tell you to do some good for the society, to do some good for your family, to do good for yourself. But if you choose the negative people, it will be your great mistake. Negative people will always criticize you. They will distract you from your destination. Even in your friends also you will find that type of so-called friends. They will demotivate you. Their only work is to demotivate you. They will always criticize you. Even they will tell you that we can't do anything. But believe in yourself that you are the best one. You can do anything. And you will get the success. You will get the taste of success. Suppose you want to go somewhere, but you don't know about the destination. You don't know about the address. So you are going, but after a certain time you will realize that, oh my God, I just waste my time. I did nothing. But if you know about your destination, if you know the address, the right address, in right time, you will reach your destination. Like that way, in your life, if you don't have any future goals, if you don't have any aims, if you don't have the destination, you will be confused that where I am going, and you will find nothing. So make your destination and reach your destination in time and get the taste of success. And the last but not the least, you should have the courage to accept the rejection, to accept the failure. In life, everyone faces the failure. Everyone fails. Everyone got the rejection. But if you have the courage to accept the failure, to accept the rejection, then only you can overcome. Then only you can overcome from that situation. and you will learn something to your mistakes. Remember, everyone says that practice makes men perfect, but always mistakes makes a man perfect. So you have to keep in mind that I am a positive guy and I can do anything, and I have a destination and I have to reach that destination in time. That's all. Thank you very much.